Welcome back, friends. Isn't this such a peaceful setting? I just had to stop and pull over to take a video so I could share with you. It's just gorgeous, and it was just a beautiful day. Anyway, today I wanted to take you with me. I decided to go down to Brookdale Fruit Farm, which is in Hollis, New Hampshire, just on the border of Massachusetts and New Hampshire. And I just love this little market. They have not just fresh fruits and veggies, but they also have a little gift area and then a plant section, which I'm going to be sharing with you. And then when we get back, I am going to share a recipe that I've been making for a salad dressing using a lot of my fresh herbs. So let's go shopping. I hope you enjoy. Let's go out to the garden and pick some herbs for the dressing. I am going to take off my shoes and get in some grounding. I have this cute little basket. Years ago, I used to sell Longaberger baskets. They're actually handmade baskets made in Ohio. The company no longer exists, but I thought this would be a good little size for picking my herbs. I do want to start with, I'm going to get some of this strawberry mint. It smells so good. I want to cut some just to have in water or iced tea. Now let's cut some of this lemon verbena and pineapple sage. I want to put that in the salad dressing I'm going to make. Okay, well, we're all set. We have our herbs. Let's go inside and make some salad dressing. The recipe does call for some chives, so let's cut just a few to add to the dressing. About a week and a half ago, I decided to plant some microgreens, and they say to plant those in the house. And I just sprinkled some seeds into this old pot that I have, and I mean, look how long they are now. We have been cutting them and using them in salads. I've used them on eggs. You can do whatever you want, but my goodness, how easy. You literally just sprinkle the seeds and they just go crazy. So they are so long. I need to clip some, so we're going to add some of those as part of our herbs to the salad. Okay, so we are going to add in 1/2 cup of the balsamic vinegar, and that is the apricot that I purchased. And then we're going to add in, the original recipe called for 1/3 cup of honey, but I'm just doing half of a recipe. So let's go ahead and add that. Half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And I'm just using the store brand in that. Then I'm just going to add in half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm merely guesstimating that. That can be to taste. And just an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Again, to taste. And then last but not least, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of the olive oil. And then we are going to shake it up. Just mix it up really well. Now here I've chopped up my fresh herbs. I have the chives, the pineapple sage, and the lemon verbena. And I'm just going to add that. It smells absolutely luscious. It smells so good. I think I'm going to take some of the pineapple sage and add that to my water along with my strawberry mint. I have a glass of that in a little bit. And then again, just shake that up. I'm making it a little earlier in the day so it can sit and, I don't know, let all the taste melt together, all the little flavors. Now, so that's it. It's very simple to make your own vinaigrettes. I love doing so, and I'm anxious to see what this tastes like. This is a little different, so I don't know. Let me know if you give it a try. Okay, so here's my refreshing glass of water, and I just added obviously a little lemon on top, and then I added the lemon verbena along with the strawberry mint, so it's very refreshing. Okay, so what did I buy at the market today? Nothing super wild and exciting. I did get some fresh lettuce. I'm going to make a nice salad this afternoon using those herbs that I picked along with that dressing I just made. I got some fresh cucumbers. We did already have one. It was fresh from their garden at the market there, and they are yummy. There's just a difference in cucumbers and tomatoes when they are fresh versus what you buy in the store. And then just some celery. Again, fresh green beans. I'm anxious to try those. These look beautiful. Again, fresh from their garden, strawberries. I bought some new kombuchas to try. This one I haven't had yet, Hawaiian ginger. This brand I buy a lot. It is, I believe, out of Maine. Let's see here. No, I apologize. Gloucester, Mass. Really good. They have a pineapple one. To me, this is like almost like drinking a soda. So good. And then this brand I have not tried before, so that's a little sparkling water. We're going to try that. I purchased this I used in my dressing, the Apricot White Balsamic. And then this I thought would be good. It's a wild dill infused olive oil. So I thought good for whether you're going to marinate chicken or meats, salad dressings, another one. I just thought it fun. And that is, I've not tried the Monadnock oils. You see them all over here. And they are out of Peterborough and Amherst, New Hampshire. So anxious to try that. Some fresh corn. I don't know if it'll be too early or not. I'm kind of picky on corn. I want it to be tender and sweet, so we'll see. I did buy an English clotted cream. I'll be honest, I've never used it before. This is from England. It says it's a product of England, and I'm going to look up how I can use that. It's good for quite a while, so if you have any recommendations, please comment below. And then just some fresh mini potatoes. I love the little multi-colored ones. I don't know if it's in my mind or not, but I swear these have a little different flavor. And then these are just like the mini golds, and they are very sweet. So that's it. Nothing wild and exciting, but nice to have some fresh produce for a change in lieu of just things that have been sitting in the grocery store a while. So it's fun shopping. Now the herbs that I'm going to add, I've got some sweet basil from the garden, some lemon thyme, it smells wonderful, and the lemon verbena. So it'll be a very refreshing salad, especially with my dressing. I'm also going to put some of my microgreens on top. Just decorate them on top a little. And that will be it. There's the salad, ready for the dressing. I will put the recipe below in the description box if you would like to go ahead and try this vinaigrette. And if you do, let me know what you think. It is very refreshing and it's great for a summertime salad. So have a great week, friends. Thank you again for joining me, and we will see you next time.